Millen from AVK Kng. We've just done some upgrades to this boardroom with this little wireless sender. So now when we've got the screen ready to receive screen, we can go screen share, we can go view. And as you can see, that's doing the video and sound into the main system from the laptop. And obviously you can use the system as you would normally with a HDMI lead to connect and disconnect that screen. It's an instant link once you've got the unit synced to your laptop. I'll just put that back up on the screen and move this around. So as you can see there, that's working. If we disconnect the receiver, which is your wireless HDMI unit, sorry, doing this one-handed. So that's all you need to plug into your laptop. Obviously after a while, that screen will drop back to normal. And then to reconnect, you don't need to press any buttons on the receiver. You just plug the receiver into any USB capable laptop, and that will resync with the main system. And you can hit view. That's the holding screen, and after a moment it'll come up onto the laptop. Sorry, I should have let it sync first. Hit view, and as you can see now, it's synced up with the screen. And that system seems to be working well, but I have left a reserve HDMI lead in here, so if you do have any issues with the wireless system that we've installed, you can fall back to the cable. All the cables have been upgraded and replaced in this room for rock solid connection. Millen from AV Kng.